Welcome to Echoes of Hope, where stories find light in the darkest corners of life. If this is your first time here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because somewhere, someone needs a little more hope today. In a quiet valley, two villages faced each other across a deep river, once united, now torn apart by years of anger and blame. No one crossed that water anymore. Not to trade, not to speak, not even to say goodbye. Then one day, a young musician named Elian appeared. He carried nothing but a bag of wood, a few tools, and a flute carved from an old tree. People laughed when he said, "I've come to build a bridge." "Bridges don't heal hearts," they told him. But Elian just smiled. "Maybe this one will sing." For months he worked alone, cutting, shaping, and fitting each plank by hand. At night, he played soft notes on his flute, and the river seemed to hum back. When the bridge was finally done, something strange happened. Whenever someone stepped onto it, the wood vibrated, humming a gentle melody. At first, people thought it was the wind. But the more they listened, the more they realized the bridge sang louder when two people crossed together. Curiosity grew. One morning, a child from the East Village met a child from the West halfway across. They stood, shy and silent, until the bridge began to sing. It was a sound so beautiful, so pure, that even the elders wept. Soon families came, then neighbors, then the whole valley. Each crossing made the bridge sing in harmony, louder and brighter. Old enemies embraced. Forgotten names were spoken again. Elian stood by the riverbank, smiling softly. Someone asked him, How did you make it do that?" He simply said, "It doesn't sing because of me, it sings because you finally walked together." Sometimes, the world doesn't need another wall. It needs a bridge, one built with forgiveness and tuned to the song of hope. If this story touched you, please share it so its melody can reach one more heart. This is Echoes of Hope, where every voice, no matter how broken, still carries light.